Yini manje le? Kuqokweni la. Shothi mangaphepha umoya nje ilook yayo yonke la fit.
Father Patrick. Yazi first time ngimbona ufather bengithi part of le gang le yama special needs. Yeah. Like mungamazi ngathi like untangamani ngathi bathatha ubuso bakhe babuthi bhuku sliding door. Why aso kanti? Animbuzi ngani ukuthi kanjalo. Okay, animtsheli ngani ukuthi agune bheka la. Bheka. Why anamaphecha idriso ekhanda? Why? Ama upcoming baba acela apracticele kuye bandla. Agundeni inkosi yami abenithi. Umlomo moso uphashe kanje. Ngathi une-8 yakudala, 8 yabonkosi Johnson. Le yakudala. Abamjwayela abamaziyo cela basiconfirmele bandla ukuthi makakhuluma akathifuzi like akuphuma isprite emlomeni. Marapa sopu Father Patrick yazi. So kine simconfuse namapha. Mina ngiyala. Ukusukela ePakistan in my own country. Ethiopian phela leli. Hayi. Please call the necessary authorities bazochecka ukuthi lo muntu unamaphepha na. Engathi kudala file lo. Izulu sakhe sivuthiwe bamqale kudala lo ufika sasemncane. Ufika sasemncane lo. Don't be fooled. Mina I know a Pakistan when I see one. A Pakistan. But what's more concerning is ukuthi like a slum. Khona linye stranger things are happening. Khona omunye ubaba lapha uAbdul na is also an Ethiopian guy. He resembles this particular Pakistan so much. I'm starting to suspect that they might be related because no, but ubaba loya mdala kuno this particular one. So I'm thinking maybe ngaba umalume wakhe or butakhe umdala, long lost brother or ubaba, you know, but the resemblance is too much. Look at this. No, take a look at this. Mina ngiyathanda ukubuyisa imindeni man. Abantu ba reunite nama family members wabo. So let's make it happen. Oh my God. Shothi ukuthi agunde bese uzofana Wes nomalume wakhe.
Yabo. Njengaleli kwapa lakho elalinuke play house uqeda kuperform uqashwe yimi nje. Hey, girl umena kabi nje. Ume kabuhlungu. Ngathi angazi mina ugaga yini. Hey.
Ngaze ngadeleleka. But he ate. Ngangimuhle kangaka nje mina ngelove to yasinqena neblazer. Thiwa nginuka ikhopha. He ate. Ngaze ngadelela yaze yangidelela inzalo ukamadlu futhi. But he ate. But you ate, my boy, you ate. Ngateleleka. Mina ngicela uzwela sisloti, ngicela uzwela. Uyalizwa nikhwapha?
Yebo khona choma mnjobuni wami nanda nje.
Ngibona ukiheme yazi. Ngizwe la. You ate.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So we lapana go TikTok Father Patrick content creator anganye nalenye content creator leligama layo Ntokozo. So uNtokozo poste video 2 days back agqoke like nje lenye style sakhe osakhe yedwane, and uFather Patrick wasititsha leya video wahleka wathi yo ifashion lenjani lena njena. He started making fun of the outfit wamodrega. Also uNtokozo awa reply back wathi ina makambuka qala kuFather Patrick bekatitshela ukuthi special kid, and nangokuthi nje umbona njengazuthi akasela wala South Africa ngathi Pakistan. Wangenela naledi aphiwe bamodrega naye naledi aphiwe ubamtshela nizabata ke ukuthi akakhulume ngeEnglish makafuna argue. So Father Patrick said ukuthi if you wanna argue with me wena naledi, please speak to me in English girl, please khuluma Singisi because ngiyani ukuthi Singisi awusati nokusati. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.